just got the pop-on veneers. Looking good. It's been a while since I've been able to look in the mirror, and my teeth aren't super bad, but in my eyes they were. So with the pop-on veneers, I'm able to look, smile, and feel good about myself. So these are what they look like. Pop right in, or pop right out. These are my teeth. Missing some teeth back there, chipped tooth, cavities, scaps. So for me, it's a life changer. It really is. And then put them in, and just grab them. The bottom ones. Yeah. Pop, just as it says, pop on veneers. And I have a great smile. Thanks, guys.